What's up, dude? What's in there? Sissy bar, Fender, everything.
The rope looked kind of dry when I left.
Yeah, it's been raining like crazy in San Jose. And today's Monday, we're gonna be chopping his bike. What year's the bike, dude?
99.
99, so it's a single carb. Today we're gonna be replacing the Sissy bar, the Fender, and everything in between. Where'd you get the Fender from?
TCbros.
Nice. Probably the same one I have too.
Yeah, 14 gauge.
Sick.
I have a backpack big enough to fucking fit.
Perfect. Got the bunks.
I don't know about this.
Is that taillight?
Yeah. I want to remount it onto the Sissy bar. If I could.
No, I was working on the SR. I got the bike to start.
I thought I was running already.
It did, but then I took everything off.
Oh.
So then right now I'm redoing the headlight. But I can do it another time. I need some more like more fun content and shit. Nobody wants to see me fucking wiring and shit. All right, into the chop shop.
There's so much more shit I gotta do. Like I gotta rebuild the front forks.
We'll have a fork seal party.
That's what I've been telling Paul and Dewey, but Paul's not gonna do it.
All right, so first thing you do is take up the seat. Okay, next what you want to do is you want to grind this down to bare metal so we can weld the bracket.
We gotta chop this shit too. It's too long.
Harleys and shit, beggars.
That's fucking Fender.
Long ass Fender. So did you want to cut it straight like this, or you want to curve it out to match with the front?
Probably curve it out.
Yeah, that's why I did. I curve it out too. What you can do first is a straight cut first, you know what I'm saying? And then do the curve.
Yeah.
Might be easier. Up to you.
I'm down with whatever's easier.
There's cardboard behind you so then you don't scratch. Right there, to your left. Alright, so he got the Fender chop. So now he's gonna curve the back nice and neat like the front. That looks good, man. People can't even see it, but that looks really good. That's it. See, so I'm gonna do it right here so you have space to weld it.
Just the bottom. These things push it back. Right?
Yeah. Does it come with the screws?
Yeah.
Alright, just got the bunks welded. Don't touch it, it's hot as fuck. We can always start with 2 and see how it looks.
Yeah.
Oh shit, let me see.
Dude, this is brand new. I need another large.
I just sold one right now, dude.
Did you?
That's the last one. See, this is what happened when you wear non-fireproof clothing. Do you smell it first? Or?
No, I felt it. I was like, why is my stomach getting where I looked down? I was fucking on fire.
Alright, next we're gonna be welding the tab to the sissy bar. Like that. Just welded the tabs on. So right now tighten it. Tighten it a little bit and then we'll find an angle and then move all the bungs. Alright, that should be good. Now just find the angle that you want.
So I think it's too forward, it looks too straight.
Yeah.
And then it doesn't match the fucking the lean of the front forks.
Yeah. Dude, some people did go fucking ridiculous. They go like this, fool.
Yeah, they match the angle of the,
Yeah.
the front forks, but
Cause let me know when best. Forward or back?
back. A little more. Just there.
Alright, so this fender, take it off and then drill. Alright, bungs are on. Just finished with the sissy bar and rear fender. I'm gonna take it on the side of the house for some photos. Damn, look at that fitment, dude. Hella flush. Keep move forward a little more. Sick, right there. Back up a little bit. Back up more. Right there, perfect. All right, we just finished with the bike. Didn't cost much, just his hoodie, pretty much. But yeah, he bought the sissy from what, Throttle Edition?
TC Bros.
Oh, TC Bros, and then
the Fender.
the Fenders, TC Bros too. They're like what? How much was the sissy?
I think it was like 80 bucks.
80, and then the Fender was like 150, 100. Next up is what?
Sweet cocktail.
And then change the headlight, fix the fork seals, fork boots, rewire pretty much, and paint. I'm excited for paint. All right, later, dude. All right, got a question for you guys. This is my current coolant overflow reservoir. Should I replace this with this? Comment below, let me know. All right, that's it for today's video. See you guys next week.